In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refine AI-generated images in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a good AI image into a polished, high-resolution result with more clarity, detail, and overall punch, all using OpenArt's built-in tools. Let's get started. Begin on the OpenArt homepage and look for the left panel. This is your main navigation hub where all the core tools live. If you're new, take a quick glance at the labels so you know where to find upscale and your editing history later on. It makes the whole process smoother. Next, click on the image you want to refine. You can select something you've just generated or an image from your existing library. Choose the version that best represents the look you're aiming for, because the upscaler will build on what's already there, preserving composition and style while enhancing quality. Open the Image Upscale tool. This feature increases resolution and can repair softness, add crisp detail, and improve textures while trying to respect the original intent of your image. From here, upload your file. If you've worked on this piece before, you can also open your editing history to quickly access prior versions and stay consistent across iterations. Drag your chosen image into the upload area. Using the highest quality source you have will yield the best results. Clear subjects, good lighting, and minimal compression artifacts give the AI more to work with and generally produce cleaner output. Choose Refined Upscale. You'll see options for Fast or Ultra. Fast is great for quick previews, speed, and light polishing. Ultra aims for maximum quality, with more nuanced detail and stronger recovery on edges and textures, though it may take longer. Pick the mode that matches your deadline and quality needs. Adjust the enhancement level. This controls how assertively the AI refines your image. For subtle, true-to-source results, especially on portraits or realistic photos, keep the level lower to avoid over-sharpening or plastic skin. For stylized art, illustrations, landscapes, or images that can handle a bolder touch, push the slider higher for more creative texture and definition. A small test pass can help you find the sweet spot. Click Upscale to start processing, then wait while the AI generates your results. Processing time depends on mode and image complexity. When it finishes, review the refined version. If it's not quite there, adjust the enhancement level or switch between Fast and Ultra. Then run Upscale again until you're satisfied. That's it. Refining AI images in OpenArt is straightforward, flexible, and repeatable. Practice a couple of images to lock in your preferred settings, and you'll be producing crisp, refined results in no time.